If you are new or complete beginner in binary options trading, then this video is for you. I'm practically going to show you how does binary options trading work, and in this video you will learn exactly how to trade binary options. So for this I have selected the platform that is called Pocket Option. If you want to join Pocket Option, the link will be in the description of this YouTube video, and you can get a good amount of bonus not only for the first time but also for the time when you keep on depositing in the future. And as you can see here, my balance is $5,599, and here you can see these green trades means that I have made these profitable trades recently. And in this video I am going to show you exactly how you can make these kind of trades. So watch this video very carefully. So first thing you need to do is you just sign up and log into your Pocket Option account, and then just click on here. Okay, by the way, you also have demo account. Okay, you don't need to trade directly with your real fund. You can firstly trade on your demo account to test your trading skills and strategy. Okay, so firstly you click here and click on currencies and select all of these currency pair that have 92% payout, and just make it yellow so that it appears at here in this way. Whichever currency pair you want to make trade on, just click in this way and all of these currency pair will appear at here. Now you need to select the candle time frame. Just click on these candles and select any candlestick time frame that you want. So S10 means 10 second, S15 means 15 second, okay, S30 means 30 second. So if you select S10, that means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame, and if you select M1, that means each of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. It's as simple as that. Now if it is flag at here, make it clock and click on here and select M1. That means your trading time frame is also going to be of 1 minute. So these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame, and this is a trading time frame where your trades will be closed automatically. Okay, and here you need to put the amount that you want to invest. I'm practically showing you. Okay, I'll explain each and everything that you need to know, so keep on watching very carefully. So you put the amount that you want to invest at here. So let's say I want to invest 99.99 in one trade. Okay, so now here you can see this is a line. Here you can see a line, and here exactly is the market. So now if you click on higher from here, okay, then market should remain high, okay, until this time expires. So for example, I'll show you by making trade. Let's say I clicked on higher. Okay, so now market is at this level, and here you can see, okay, so here is Euro USD currency pair. Okay, and here you can see market have failed a little bit below, and I have 22 second remaining. I think no, I have 42 second remaining for this trade to close. Now if this market closes below this line from where I have made trade, then I will lose this trade. And if market closes above this green line, okay, because I have clicked back or higher, okay, then I will make profit in this trade. So now let's quickly see what happens in this trade. Most probably I am going to lose this trade, I think, but let's see what happens. So we have 8 second, 7 second remaining. 1 second. So I lose this trade. That means my $99.99 is now gone. So now in my next trade I will invest, let's say $200. Okay, so now if you click on lower, and if market goes below this red line, then you are going to make profit. But if it goes above this red line, then you are going to make loss. Now I want you to see few of the trades that I have made profitable. Like I have turned this $150 into $3,000 in this video. Okay, so watch this video very carefully. And I have done nothing. Whenever there is lower, then I saw if market is falling down, then I clicked on lower. I have done nothing extra at here. Okay, so watch this video very carefully so that you can have the idea. And the indicator that I have used is super trend indicator. Okay, so if you want a full strategy video, if you want to watch a full strategy video, then I'll make sure to put the link of this exact strategy video where I have explained each and everything in a step-by-step process. I will keep that link in the description of this YouTube video. You can watch that full strategy video. Now enjoy this video.